Hi guys, I have a question to myself, but I already know the answer, so I'ma give it to my colleague. Ay, sige pre. What is experimental research, but you have to split it by speaking dollars?
This is the pare. Experimental research is a systemic investigation where variables are manipulated to determine a cause and effect relationship. Ganyan lang yan. May dalawang type lang yan pare. Yung isa is yung true experimental research. It includes random assignments of participants in different groups, which helps eliminate biases. O diba? Walang bias. It also allows for more reliable conclusions about, yung mga casual relationships lang. Yan.
True experimental research.
Chi, baka di dawanay.
Mulay, ano ba? Tuloy ako. Ano ba? Ano bang kailangan mo? Ba't mo ako dinidisturbo?
Rianay.
Lalaro ko. Ano ba pare?
Pag tuwi dawanay, pag binulay. Ano ba gusto mo? Kuha, helmet kuha nga ito, makamerkado kita.
Konektado. Tara Ken, ready na. Tara na Ken, ready na. O, teka lang. Parang naging iiyak ko ah. Oh, hawakan mo muna tol.
Ano daw, lakunig balik kini.
Anak Ken, nasa na yung helmet ko?
Boss, kahit to kan dyan. Binuli niya.
Ay, ano man niya?
Sira yun ah. Pero kaya maging balik.
On the other hand naman mga pare, sa isang kamay is yung quasi-experimental. It does not involve random assignments. Instead, it compares groups that already exist that have been formed a long time ago.
Товарищи, рабочая крестьянская революция, о необходимости которой все время говорили большевики, совершилась!
Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. I love you all in the Philippine area of responsibility.
Gada 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 oh, I've been married a long time ago. Where do you come from? Where do you go? Where do you come from? Bacolado.